Yo, my people, welcome back to my channel. My name's Samee, aka the Student Entrepreneur. Firstly, I'd like to say sorry to all my subscribers. Been inactive recently. Just had exams, assignments, whatnot. Third year of university, so you know how it goes. But yeah, if you're new here, welcome. On this channel, I'm just a normal guy, in uni, who's interested in entrepreneurship, got a couple of businesses and stuff, and I just want to help inspire other young people and just people in general, just give them a good advice and just stuff I've picked up along the way. But yeah, in this video I'm going to be talking about credit scores and why credit score is important to you, whether you're getting a business loan or a mortgage or a credit card and whatnot, and like factors that can negatively affect your credit score that you probably don't even know about, and just ways that you can improve it. So yeah, let's just get into the video. So what is a credit score? A credit score is a number that basically shows the likelihood of you paying back credit. Lenders will use this to see if you're reliable or not, and based on this they'll give you certain offers, they'll reject you, accept you for credit or whatnot. So it's really important you have a strong credit score. And I'm just going to go through 5 ways which you've probably been messing up your credit score that you don't even know about. Number 1, you're probably applying for too many applications in one go for like credit cards or financing or whatever. You've been applying for too many in a too short period of time. So the best way to do this is actually, if you are trying to get accepted for loans and you're getting rejected or whatnot, apply at the same time. So if you apply for a couple, like say you want to apply for 2 or 3 credit cards, you apply on the same day. Whereas if you do one week and then on the next week, it looks like you're desperate for credit, and the fact that you've been applying regularly for credit looks like you're not a suitable or reliable person to loan to. So avoid doing that. Okay, so this one a lot of people won't know about, but Mandem, if you're not paying your parking tickets, you need to fix up, because this stuff can really affect your credit score. When you get the final letters and stuff like that saying they'll take you to court, prosecute you, whatever, if you don't pay up, this stuff can affect your credit score, man. Just avoid it, please. Alright guys, so number 3, if you're not signed up to your electoral roll, so you haven't registered to vote and stuff like that, this stuff affects your score. One of the best ways companies actually check if your details are correct is through this electoral roll. So make sure you sign up. This is like the easiest way, whether you vote or not, just sign up. This is the easiest way to boost your credit. It's pretty simple. Okay, so if you got court hearings and stuff like that, I'm sorry innit, because that stuff is going to affect your score badly. So I don't know, man, just try to avoid that stuff, keep it legal, do you know what I'm saying? But another thing is, if you're exceeding over 50% of your credit limit, or your credit allowance. So for example, you have £500 in your credit card, don't exceed over £250. If you do this, it looks like you're not sensible with your credit, and that you're just maxing out and stuff. What this is based on is actually on your total credit. So say you got 2 credit cards and one has £1,000 allowance, one has £500 allowance. So what they do, they'll accumulate them. So say that's 1,500, and then so half of that would be the thing they base your score on. So and a way to improve this is obviously pay it off quickly, and try to stay within that 50% range, or try not to have debt at all, but don't use more than 50%. Alright, so for number 6, this one's important. If you've got utility bills under your name, like phone bills, gas and electricity and stuff like that, water, if you're not paying on time, this can really mess up your score. If you're in arrears and stuff like this will leave a black mark on your record. You don't want it. It just shows that you're not punctual with your payments and you're a bit of a liability. So make sure you're paying those on time. Alright guys, so I'm going to quickly run through methods where you can actually improve your credit score. So firstly, sign up to the electoral roll. That's easy, just get it done, simple. Use less than 50% of your credit allowance, as I suggested earlier. Do it, shows that you're reliable, you're sensible with your credit and stuff like that. Pay your bills on time, don't go in arrears, that's just common sense. If you live in a shared house, be the person who actually takes the bills under their name. So for example, you have like 4 or 5 people living in your house, you be the one who is responsible for that, so you'll collect all the payments. I know it's a bit of a hassle and stuff, but do it, it'll benefit you long term. As I said earlier, don't apply for too many credit cards, you know, around the same short period of time. If you do want to apply for a couple, just apply on the same day, but try only to apply for credit when you need it, really. Every credit application that you take affects your credit score, so be careful of that. Okay, so my biggest and main tip to improve your credit score, which is a great technique that I use, is basically whenever you have to pay for something, you use your credit card and you pay it off immediately. This way you won't be charged interest, and also on top of this, you know, you'll benefit off the improvement in the credit score. This shows that you're reliable with your credit, you're a sensible person, you know how to use your money, and you just have good money management. So those are the tips. I hope this video helped you out and educated you in some way if you don't know about credit scores and stuff. But oh, and I forgot to mention, the credit score is a ranking system, so you can go up to either 700 or 900. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. But yeah, obviously the higher you are to the maximum number, then the better you are, and the better deals you'll get, and more acceptance for loans and cards or whatever. But yeah, always use credit responsibly. Obviously I can't really promote using interest and stuff, but you know, the higher credit score you have, you know, you'll find better 0% offers and whatnot. So yeah, use it to your advantage, use it for your leverage, and take care, guys. Bye bye.
Still a good businessman, tit for tat. My young boy just done a mad thing and he still flips his pack. The man are not with man. If you're talking money, I'm with